Hi, hello guys. Today we're doing here. We're doing a duo together. But I just want to. Oh no, please no. Oh my God. Uh, Hi. So I'm gonna skip most of the floor. So bye guys. See you later. Update guys. The other shell died and didn't add me, so we can't do a redo. Yay! Hi guys. So beep 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 beep. Yeah, I don't need money. Y'all watch me do machines because it's very fast. Instead of videos earlier. Why? What? Then you say electricity. Trying your best, dude. Oh my gosh. Never. He I need 7 candy sparkle. Oh my god, get a bit, good a bit, good a bit. That's good. That's good a bit. That's good a bit. Good. What am I saying? I'm stuttering. 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 I'm stuttering. Stuttering. What? I stutter. Stuttering. Okay, that's okay. Oh, akala ka. Fair. Fair though. Where the hell is the oh? Yep, the machine isn't there because of the screen. Where the hell is the machine? Wait. Okay, how about here? Where's my side? My yards are there. Beautiful. Best sides are in the world, but I can't see them. Their eyes are burning, but he can't see. Where the hell is the last machine? Yeah, this floor is gonna take a long time, dude. Where's the last machine? What's this? Sandwich. 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 Salary si Winter. Sandwich. I'm not ready to go. Oh my god. You have vision, my guy. You can why did it was something like that? Oh, okay, beautiful now. So cute, y'all. After this floor, I'm gonna cut the whole thing and go to floor 10. Because the floor is okay. Floor 10. Bye bye. Yo, should I took it? Wait. Hi, Cosmo. Oh, it's your med kit when you die. Someone stole your med kit and killed them. That's a great idea. Thank you. Oh my goodness, Cosmo, stop. Give me the med kit now. Okay, bye, guys. Hi, guys. 10. Stupid scraps that took my medkit away from me. Triggered the bundle. Huh. Stickers. Okay, watch me do machines while I fly. Yeah. It's hard. No. How am I dodging Roger's things? Am I pro? Oh my god, I'm tough. Yeah. Okay, what's that voice? Jennifer. Then these. Sabi? Stop. Winter is stop. Sabi, not stop, please. He is a sandwich. He, he's a sandwich. He's a sandwich. Can you please stop talking? If you don't shut up, I'm calling her a sandwich. Sandwich. Oh my god. Don't you know I'm a sandwich? Fuck. Um, Chili with the boobo. Why so small? Can you pick up camera, please? Why should I do? Shut up. Putang ina mo. Ay, wait lang. Free floor pa yata eh. Alis. Show. Go away, dude. Soda. Soda. Shut up. Shut up. Soda na natakluhin. Soda winner. Soda. All. And then, never wins. What? Halos sobrang wrong ng lyrics eh. Winter, I'm mamamatay. Diyos, di ako namamatay. Jesus, that's a legacy. Ning, hindi hacker. Hindi ako tumatakbo para hindi ma-activate to. Di putang ina. Matatag. Batang. Nasaan na yung last machine? Face nyo yun. Nasaan yung ano yung machine? Mag mag mag-speak. Oh my god. Shut up. I'm gonna speak English because the viewers doesn't understand. Please stop. Your voice is trash. Badabadoo. See you guys in 420. Hope y'all enjoy it. If I die before 420, uh, yeah, I ain't doing that. Ain't doing that shit. Ain't doing that shit, y'all. Why y'all seen your 420? Hi guys, so I died on floor 15, but I still got the most of the machine, so bye.